Our junior kindergarten and kindergarten programs provide an extraordinary beginning for a child's formation and education.
We start the kids on early with in literacy, numeracy. We have Montessori play. We have collaborative play, manipulative play for them. We have arts and craft.
Reggio Emilia built in, and what I would call a more traditional, more academic focus than you might find in like a daycare setting.
We also have specialist teachers, physical education, Spanish and music teachers that gives us a well-rounded academic program in our school.
There is still a big emphasis on the importance of play and inquiry and having the students engage in activities where they're having a lot of fun, but they're learning a lot at the same time. So sometimes they don't realize they're learning, but they are.
We've been so impressed with Clearwater's communication. We have a very close contact with our teachers, and they keep us up to date in terms of any activities, events, expectations, etc. It's been lovely to see that they are invested in the journey as much as we are as well too.
In our kindergarten program, our students are all reading and writing by the end of the program. So when they go into grade 1 the following year, they're set up with those foundations and can hit the ground running.
But what we've especially noticed is that when we attend Mass, the level of respect and decorum that our young children have in church has been amazing because of what they've learned here at Clearwater in terms of structure and understanding of their faith.
And as they come to Clearwater, I think they come through the doors and they have a sense that it is different. The people here really do care. I feel like my child, as a little 4-year-old or 5-year-old when they first get dropped off, is going to be loved and taken care of. And then through that, the journey begins at the school. When they graduate, they leave the doors of Clearwater Academy when they're 17, 18 years old and they go out into the world. They have a real good sense of who they are, the gifts and talents that they've been given, and fundamentally that those gifts and talents are meant to be shared with others. And age appropriate as the students move from junior kindergarten, grade 1, all the way up through to junior high and high school is opportunities that they have through formation programs at the school, how they interact with our faculty to be able to start to practice those gifts and talents and put them to work for others.